Looking to build an online course in 2025? Let's compare Learndash, Learnpress, and Tutor LMS, three of the most popular WordPress LMS plugins. Learndash is the most powerful and feature-rich LMS plugin for WordPress. It's trusted by universities and large course creators. You get advanced drip content, quizzes, certificates, and integrations with tools like Stripe, Zapier, and WooCommerce. But it comes at premium price and setup can take time. Learnpress is a free, beginner-friendly LMS that's ideal for small courses or startups. It offers core features like lessons, quizzes, and add-ons, all within the WordPress dashboard. It's budget-friendly but less polished than Learndash or Tutor LMS. Good for simple courses with minimal requirements. Tutor LMS sits right in the middle. It's modern, easier to use than Learndash. It's modern, easier to use than Learndash, and more polished than Learnpress. It includes a front-end course builder, monetization options, analytics, and Zoom integration. Great for solo creators, schools, or marketplace style platforms. Final verdict: Learndash, best for enterprise level or advanced creators. Learnpress, great for beginners or free options. Tutor LMS, balanced choice for modern course creators. Choose based on your budget, course size, and feature needs. Hope this video helps everyone. Thank you for watching.